Hello guys, this time I'm gonna talk you about this tablet P1250 from C Idea, and I want you to know the main details about it because this is a pretty nice tablet. Let's see what is in the box. We have a tablet P1250, two screen protector. One of them comes already installed on the tablet, one certificate of conformity, one manual in English, one USB-C to A cable, one USB-A to C adapter, and that's all. This tablet comes with an octa-core processor Unisoc T606 at 1.6 GHz, which is enough to run practically any application and several not so demanding games. One of its strongest points is the 10.1-inch screen with Full HD resolution and IPS panel with a refresh rate of 120 GHz, eye protection, 400 nits peak brightness, and more. We have two cameras on it, a 13 megapixels rear camera and a 5 megapixels front camera. They really do a pretty decent job. At the end of the video, you can see a couple of photos and video tests with here. This tablet comes with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of ROM, which can be expanded to 1 TB through a micro SD card. The design of this tablet is really nice, especially the brightness on the back as well as the location of its camera and flash. This comes with a lot of languages to choose the best for you, include English and Spanish. The software of this tablet is Android 12. This could be better, and I hope they make an update of the software soon. Other important things: it's compatible with Bluetooth 5. She has 6000 mAh lithium polymer battery, which will give you very good autonomy. You can connect headphone by Bluetooth or in the 3.5 headphone jack. I think this might be necessary since their speakers are not too powerful. This tablet is definitely worth the price. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will respond as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe, it's totally free and you can get access to more reviews, more gameplays, and much more content. Thanks for watching. I leave you with a couple of tests with this tablet.
Targets in sight. No subas reels en Instagram. crucial.